Demon, what is this? It's your own fault. Is this enough, guys? Oh, you look like a clown. Hi guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Adrina. I've seen these gorgeous makeup looks on Instagram and YouTube, and I just want to try it. Let's do it. Yes, you can swim in the eyeliner. Nice dress for you. Don't be mean, Demon. And don't insult my eyeliner. In your opinion, which kind of eyeliner should I use for this? I think you should pick an eyeliner marker. It's much easier to use. Nice idea, let's try it. I want to create a long eyeliner like this. Oh my god. Let's blend it. Oh my god. It's not blendable at all. No matter how hard I try to blend it. Demon, I don't touch you anymore. Don't be sad, dear. Take this one and use it. Wow, liquid eyeliner. Thanks, you are the best, but mischievous. Let's try it on this side. I create a line here. A thicker line. Guys, it's not blendable as well. Demon, what is this? It's your own fault. You could have not listened to me. Yes, it's my fault. Let's do it with this palette. And just remove this. Oh my god. Adrina, I have a question. Why you are still here? I have a question. Just be quiet, Demon. Gel eyeliner and aqua color are my last two options. So let's do it with one of them. Adrina, if you don't hit me, I really have a question. Just if you don't want to bother me, ask. Is there any limit for eyeliner? Of course not. Just too much eyeliner is too much. Is this enough, guys? So how much eyeliner is too much eyeliner? As I said, just too much eyeliner is too much. Oh my god. But I like it. No matter how much I think about it. I don't know why. You just look like Zora in your videos. Yes, you're right, but I don't know why. Why don't you make a collection of Zora inspired looks? I really love it. I love his cape, shiny black cape. Yes, just like your shiny eyeshadow. But Zora's cape is not shiny. You take too much. Okay, sorry. I can't see your glitter. Yes, you're right. My glitter is not visible enough. What about now? That's better. Now it's time to add some more blush. I apply the pinkiest blush that I have. Oh my god, this is too pink. Oh. You look like a clown. So I fixed it with so much glitter. I think this look needs something more. If you don't punish me, I have a suggestion for you. Suggestion? You? Like the eyeliners you suggested? Just trust me, I'm getting tired sitting here. Okay, I'll trust you for the last time. You can apply rhinestones, just like me. Here, take it. You can apply much easier with this. Wow, it's a really good idea. But as you see, it doesn't work at all. It's just trash. If you know how to use it, please write in comments for me. Thank you. I should use my fingers this time. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. This is perfect. I love it. You're so mysterious, but sometimes your ideas are the best. You are very confident. Don't be so happy, you will cry by removing those rhinestones. Really? But how? What do you mean? You will see. Wait. So this is the final look. I inspired this video from those two beautiful ladies. Thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave comments for me. Thank you. Bye. Wow, it really hurts. I hate your ideas, Demon. Where are you? Come here. Oh.